guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I actually built the platform for my Kia. If you didn't see the seat removal, I'll make sure that I link it somewhere there and then link it in the description, whatever. So you can watch me remove all those seats if that's something you're interested in, but you want to skip ahead to just seeing what it looks like, that's what this video is. So stay tuned. These are the existing holes from where the back seat once was. This is the main support piece that will bolt onto the frame, and then we will add another piece on top of this that will hinge the doors off of. So much for watching. If you guys have any questions about the build or what I'm doing on the road, just leave it in the comment section below. And if you want to subscribe, that would be awesome. Feel free to like this video too. I really appreciate that. You can follow me on any social media at AlwaysAugusta. And stay tuned for more random road videos.